Noise, make some noise, let's go. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Prophet of all time, Habibi ya Rasul. was a miracle. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya
Now let me tell you something. I am looking at the faces of young people, and let me tell you something. I have never felt this way in my life.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
I have never. And I want you to tell me if this is right. You know, it was so unfair to Irfan Maki to sing 2 songs belonging to Milad Qadri. That was unfair. That was unjust. So now, I am taking advantage of these guys, right? Now you have to sing along to one of his. Do we agree?
That's only fair. That's only fair. I believe.
What song you want?
I believe.
What song you want?
I believe. Another thing I believe I cannot sing it. Inshallah. I will try my best.
Now that is a very difficult tune. Only very few people can pull that. Huh? That's why when they see Hisham disappear from the background.
Live, without the music. You and I think we're gonna. They want I believe though, so we're gonna do I believe first. We'll see what we can do second. So is everyone ready for I believe?